What's up, Seed Squad? It's NigelSeed back again, and today we are going to be learning how to survive the Nether in Minecraft. So today I'm going to be giving you some tips on what to do in the Nether, and let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, of course, before you do anything, is prepare. So how you're going to prepare for the Nether is you want to have armor, right? Because you want to be able to survive. And I suggest having at least iron armor because I think that's like some of the easiest to get. It's not really too hard to get, and it works pretty well. So you're going to have a full iron set of armor. So iron boots, iron leggings, iron chest, not chain, iron chest plate, and an iron helmet. And just put all of that on. You've got your full iron set. Now I want you to do the same thing with all of your weapons. So for the Nether, the only weapons that I suggest having are a sword and a pickaxe. I don't really think an axe is necessary for the Nether because there's no wood or anything, except for on those tree things, and I don't even know if they're trees. It's a whole different dimension, so I don't know how it works, you know? So I suggest having a sword and a pickaxe. Maybe a shovel too, actually a shovel too. Now, the next thing you want to do is actually get into the Nether. So once you've got your full set, look at that. As soon as I'm talking about the Nether, there's an Enderman over there. Which, an Enderman are in the Nether. You know, Endermen are pretty rare, so it's kind of shocking that an Enderman would be right there while I'm talking about the Nether. Maybe that means something. What is that? Oh, he's teleporting everywhere. What does that mean? Now, as I was saying, you want to get into the Nether. So what you need to do is make some obsidian. Now, I'm in creative right now, so I'm just going to take the easy way out and just get obsidian from this little menu right here. But if you're in survival and you want to do this, what you're going to need to do is make 2 buckets out of iron. A lot of iron is being used here, so have a good source of iron. What you're going to want to do is get 2 buckets, right? You're going to want to have 1 bucket of water and 1 bucket of lava. Now, I suggest having a good source for both because you're going to be refilling the bucket a lot. So what you're gonna want to do is take that lava and wait. So first, you want to build up a wall because you want to be able to save your resources. So the best way to do that is just to like outline this little space back here. I'll show you why in a second. Make a 4x5 wall. So 4 across, 5 down, just out of cobblestone or something. And once you've done that, you're gonna want to place water and then quickly place lava. And then you got an obsidian, look at that. And then you're gonna have to go back to your water source and lava source. But I'm a creative, so I can just make it quickly. So we got 1 here. You got a second, and then you're gonna want to keep doing this. Now the reason we built this wall back here is so that we don't actually have to fill in this whole 4x5 perimeter, so we can save our resources. So instead of putting an obsidian right here, we can just put it right here. So water, then lava. Why is this not working? Water, then lava. Okay, and then just build it up like this. Alright, then once you build this, you're gonna want to make a flint and steel. Where is that? Flint and steel, right? And then you can finally travel into the Nether.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna look at the ground, the bottom block of this portal, place it, and look at that. We've got our interdimensional portal ready to be entered. And we're gonna enter in 3, 2, 1. And we're in. Look at that, we're on. Okay, so right now we're in some kind of random place. This is dangerous. Oh my goodness. Look at this. If you like walked out of here not knowing where you were, you could literally just fall right down and die. Luckily, I've been creative, so that can't happen to me. All right, now that we're in the Nether, it's time we put our pickaxe to work. So what we're gonna do, or all of our weapons actually. See the skeleton right here? Fully gold armor and everything. We're gonna want to kill him. And he's fallen into the
abyss of lava
down there. And then what we're gonna want to do is mine a lot of netherrack. Netherrack are those red blocks right there that you can see. And the reason you want to mine a lot of them is because they can just be placed as a regular block like cobblestone, but they're super easy to mine. So let me show you. When I'm in survival, right? Let me switch over. Look at how quickly I can mine these. Oops, see the skeleton's trying to kill me now since I'm in survival. But look at this. It literally takes 1 hit to mine these. So, you know, they're really easy things to use. And they're literally everywhere around the world. So just destroy a bunch of netherrack. And here's what the awesome thing is about them. Once you light them on fire, watch this. They literally stay on fire like forever. They don't on fire because I don't know why. They're just an immortal fire. So if you want to make something cool out of that, you can go ahead and do that. And then you're going to want to mine my favorite block, which is the quartz. So these things right here, these netherracks with little white specks in them, that is called nether quartz. And you can pick up those, see, nether quartz. And once you get enough nether quartz, you can actually make quartz, which is my favorite block in the game. I love to make all of my buildings out of quartz. So pick up some nether quartz and you can make that. There's also this nether gold, which is literally just regular gold. I don't know. Oh, never mind. These actually drop gold nuggets, which I wasn't completely aware of. I thought they dropped regular gold. Hey, I'm learning just as you are, so I just learned something there. These actually drop gold nuggets and not regular gold. Okay, Seed Squad, so the next thing you want to do in the Nether is find a Nether fortress. So these are actually like, no. Oh, no way, it landed right here. Oh my goodness. Yo, I literally just dropped my sword. I thought I was about to lose it. Look at this. It's literally on the corner of this block right here. Like, I literally thought I was about to drop my... Alright. Jeez. Okay, as I was saying, you want to find a Nether fortress because inside of these, you are going to find, first of all, these awesome looking lava pools. Those aren't important. I just think they look cool. But inside of these, you're going to find some zombie... What are they called? I remember... See, I'm an OG Minecrafter, so I remember them being called zombie pigmen. But I think now they're called, like, piglins or something like that. But all I know is once you find another fortress, what you want to do is make your way through here. It's kind of a bit of a maze. See, let me see, there's a prize in here. Okay, something inside of here that I'll show you once I find it.
A few moments later.
All right, Seed Squad, it took a little bit of searching, but I found the main room of the Nether fortress. Now look at this. This place is filled with zombie pigmen or piglins or whatever they're called, and there are a million of them in here. Look at this. But you know what else is in here? Look at this. We go down here, a bunch of gold blocks, right? Monster spawner. And then guess what else? Look at this, a chest. And what's in here? Some crying obsidian and some netherite scraps, which can be used to make netherite, which is, I don't know, the most powerful material in the game because you can make armor and weapons out of that. So there's a hidden chest all the way in here at the main room of the Nether fortress. It's a pretty cool place. A bunch of zombie pigmen everywhere. Also, I advise bringing torches so that you can surround this what's it called, monster spawner with torches. Put a torch on each side and then destroy the top, so you can put a torch on there too, because this will actually stop the monsters from spawning. So once you kill all these piglins, you don't want to see any more, right? So what you want to do is just surround it with blocks, and then on the bottom just place a block right there so that nothing can come out of here. A little hidden tip for you there. All right, now I suggest bringing a bow and some arrows so that you can destroy these annoying things, these loud crying things that are called ghasts. And where are they? I saw one earlier. Oh, also skeletons. Skeletons use bow and arrows. So the only smart way to fight them is to burn them with fire. What's it called? Fight fire with fire. So bring a bow and some arrows so that you can fight these skeletons. All right? And aside from skeletons, you want to fight these things called ghasts because they will like throw fireballs at you and they fly. Literally, they just float in the air. So the only way to fight them is with a ranged weapon, which is a bow and arrow or a crossbow. And a bow and arrow is easier. So I suggest bringing that so you can fight these things. Just hit them with a bunch of arrows. Yeah. Alright, Seed Squad, I hope you enjoyed these tips and can make use out of them. Now, I'll see you in this next video. Click that right now. Peace.